Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. More handcuffs, guys. This set is from Viper. Allegedly, according to the sales pitch, they are high security and individually numbered. I don't have a second pair to confirm this, but there is a serial number on the cuff. The key is oversized to what I'm used to, and this makes me feel like these are intended as a magician prop or novelty item. Moving on to the cuff, it has a lever action double lock. This makes me think the locking mechanism is a simple one. On looking inside the cuff, it becomes apparent that this is not a traditional style cuff. It uses a ratchet cog to hold the bow in place. When the key is inserted, the wheel is lowered by a small lever, which is the same width as the whole cuff. You can reach in whilst wearing the cuff and release the wheel with a Z-tension tool. Here it is again without my fat wrist in view. Whilst putting these back in the box, I noticed that the lever was visible through the keyway, so here is how to attack that way. Would I recommend these cuffs? Not a chance. They don't help teach how cuffs work and are more of a novelty item. I'm going to order some actual toy cuffs and compare them. Stay safe everyone, and I'll see you all next time.